طيب Hi, Miss Fatim.
Hello, dear. Hi, Aman.
Yes, now we will start the class.
Hi, please don't send me anything in the chat. I'm not reading
Yes.
chats. Wait 2 more minutes, waiting for the other.
Miss, now we will start the class.
Mute. Ali, Altaf, and yes, Jude.
How can I do the worksheet?
Yes, we're going to solve the worksheet.
Are we gonna solve the worksheet?
We're going to solve the worksheet. Yes.
I did it. Miss, now we will do the worksheet. Hi.
Hi, who is this? Who is this?
You're Sophia team.
Hi, Yara. Yala, Yara, mute.
Okay.
So, dear ones, this time we're talking about animal classification. Scientists classified animals into 2 large groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Let's make a game. I will send you a link, okay? Use this link to write an example of vertebrates. Before you do, Karim Bitar, what's a vertebrate? When do we say that an animal is a vertebrate?
When they have a backbone.
When it
When they have a backbone.
Bravo ya Karim. Yara, it's Karim's turn. I called him. So, bravo ya Karim +1. Vertebrates are animals with a backbone. Vertebrates have a backbone. What is another word for backbone? Instead of saying backbone, there are 2 other words. Yalla ya Altaf. What is the backbone also called?
Not you know.
Spinal cord.
Nah, it's called spine. Good job. Bravo ya Altaf. It's called the spine. The backbone is also called spine or Superman. What is the third word? The third name of the backbone? Backbone, spine, and Ali Fawaz, Amin.
Bone.
Backbone, spine, and vertebral column. Vertebral column. I'm sending you this in the chat. We call it a backbone, a spine, or a vertebral column. Okay? Vertebrates are animals with a backbone, spine, or vertebral column. Yalla, I'm sending you now a link. Use it to write an example of vertebrates. What is one vertebrate that you know?
Miss me.
I sent you a link. Press on this link and write your answer. Write your answer.
Miss, we can't. Miss,
Miss, I can't see the link in the chat and I cannot see your shared
Me
screen.
too. Me too. Me too. I can't see the link.
Okay, let me check if I sent it to all of you. Ah, sorry. This is the link. Yeah.
Okay.
What is an example of vertebrate? What is an example of vertebrates? Vertebrates like what? Reptile, elephant, that's right.
Just a one word?
Just one word. Fish, excellent.
I wrote a lot. Miss reptiles.
2 more minutes and voting is done.
Dead.
Birds.
Don't say the answer, write the answer. Write it.
Don't see. Okay.
Please, mute. What are examples of vertebrates?
Bird.
Mute, fish, owl, cat, excellent.
Camel.
A camel, human.
Camel. I have made some.
Excellent
Yes.
answer.
Miss, I'm done and I don't know what to press.
Just write your answer and press submit. Yeah, I'll count till 10 and voting is over. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Dog.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Miss, they are not letting me to make it submit.
Okay, voting is over. Let me close it. Wait. Okay, the voting is over. Yeah. Let's check your answers now. Yeah. Look at the screen. Fish are vertebrates. Correct. Fish, reptiles. Please mute. Mute. Please mute. Camel. Here is the camel right here. Elephant, amphibians, reptiles, humans, fish, owl, and cats. All of these are examples of vertebrates. Why are they considered as vertebrates? Because they have a backbone. Because they have a backbone. So all of these organisms are vertebrates because they have a backbone. What do we call a backbone? What is it called also? A spine or vertebral column. Okay, all of these organisms are called vertebrates since they have a backbone. Okay. What about invertebrates? What about invertebrates? Let's play the same game right now. Examples of invertebrates. Okay, I sent you the link again. Use the link and write examples of invertebrates. Write examples of invertebrates. Yeah. Turtle? Can you smash a turtle? Snail. Bee. Okay, what else? A butterfly. Bee. Most of you wrote bee. Don't send me anything in the chat. Octopus. Perfect. Good job. Insects. Great job. Well done. Yeah. Voting is over. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. A butterfly, a snail, a bee, an octopus, and insects are invertebrates. This is wrong. Turtles have a backbone, so turtles are vertebrates. Okay? Turtles are vertebrates. They have a backbone. Okay, so this is wrong. All of the others are invertebrates since they do not have a spine. Okay, they can be smashed easily. They don't have a bony skeleton or a spine. We started with the first group of vertebrates. Vertebrates are classified into 5 groups. So let's say them with me. Vertebrates, animals with a backbone, are classified into 5 groups. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. These are the 5 groups of vertebrates. Today we will start with the first group of vertebrates, which is the fish group. The fish group. Okay, let me draw a fish on the board and we will talk about characteristics of fish. So this is my fish. Okay. Yalla Muhammad Hamoud. Where is Muhammad? Muhammad isn't here. Yalla ya Ali Hamoud. Ali Hamoud, where do fish live? Where do fish live?
Fish lives in all seas. Fish live in oceans and seas.
Perfect. Fish live underwater, like in
Oceans.
oceans and seas. Bravo ya Ali. Aline, what covers the fish body?
Yes.
What covers the fish bodies?
Miss,
Fish,
I can't hear you so much.
okay, this question is for Aline and Ali Fawaz. Fish are covered with what? What covers the fish body?
Scale.
Scales. Good job. They are covered with disconnected scales or detached scales. Scales are small structures that can be removed out of the fish body one by one. Disconnected scales. What do fish يا علي جباعي use to move? Fish swim underwater. How do they swim? What do they use?
They use their tail fin and their fins.
Perfect. So this is a fin. This is also a fin. This is a fin. And this is the fish tail fin that help it swim. How do fish breathe? Amir Hussein. This question is for Amir and Yara. Yalla, Amir and Yara. How do fish breathe?
By gills.
By gills. Bravo. So this is the gill opening.
Miss?
This is, wait. This is
Miss?
gill opening. Yes, Yajud.
Yara.
Yeah.
I know how fish breathe. First, they get the water in their mouth,
Okay.
and then they throw the water out from their gills,
From the gills opening.
and they keep the oxygen.
Okay, perfect. So what's the job of the gills in the fish body? To absorb oxygen from the water before it leaves the fish body. Why do we say, Yalana, that fish are cold-blooded? Why do we say that fish are cold-blooded?
Miss, sorry, but I can't hear you very well.
It's because of the internet connection. You can watch the Zoom session later on. So what do we mean by cold-blooded? This question is for all of you. Why do we say that fish are cold-blooded?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, Yarawa, go.
They cold-blooded because when the water temperature is high, the fish will be when the water is cold, the fish will be.
So excellent, Yarawa. They don't have a fixed body temperature. Yalla, all of you. What is your body temperature? Ali Hamoud, Eltaf, Jude, Amir, Lana, Kareem, all of you. What is your body temperature? What is your body temperature? How much?
Hot. Miss, I know. Miss, it is 37.
37. Bravo. It's 37.
Is it 37?
Eltaf's body temperature is 37. Yara's body temperature is 37. Miss Fatin's body temperature is 37. Rawat كمان 37. Hawa's 37. Okay? So we say إنه نحنا we are warm-blooded. We are warm-blooded, مش cold-blooded. Since we have a fixed body temperature, a temperature that doesn't change. Our body temperature must always be 37. The normal body temperature, 37. Fish aren't like us. They don't have a fixed body temperature. They have a body temperature that changes according to the environment. Yalla, last question now. Why do we say that fish are oviparous animals? Shreya, Yara. This question is for Yara and June. Why do we say that fish are oviparous animals? Fish are oviparous animals because
I didn't hear you. We didn't hear you well.
fish are oviparous animals because fish are oviparous animals because fish are oviparous animals because they lay eggs. They reproduce by laying eggs. I answered this since we must start with
عشان we don't, no one taught us this.
Tell you, mommy, that Miss Fatin answered the question. Yep. Yalla, Ali Hamoud. The octopus, vertebrate ولا invertebrate? Vertebrate ولا invertebrate?
Invertebrate.
Thank you.
Invertebrate.
Invertebrate. Yalla ya Karim Bitar.
I did this.
The turtle ya Karim. Vertebrate ولا
I did
invertebrate?
it by myself.
Yes.
The turtle.
The turtle is vertebrate.
Vertebrate. Thank you. The snake ya Jude. Please mute. If it's noisy your side. Amalu Alim. Please mute.
Is it my turn?
Yalla ya Jude. What about the snake?
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate. Thank you. Iltaf. The owl. The owl.
Vertebrate.
Vertebrate. Thank you. Lana. Lana, please don't write on the screen. Yalla ya Lana. What about the spider? Lana, the spider. Is it a vertebrate or invertebrate?
Spider. I was like, no, that's a spider.
تحكي أكثر ما بتسمعي ماما.
يلا لانا. لانا. Spider. Yara. Yara, what about spiders? Vertebrate
Yes.
or invertebrate?
Spiders. Invertebrate.
Thank you. Well done. Invertebrate. Fish. Ali Fawaz. Fish. Vertebrates or invertebrates? Okay, Rawat Farhan. Rawat Farhan, are fish vertebrates or
Yes.
invertebrates?
Yeah.
Vertebrate, thank you. Yalla ya Ali Jba'i, lizards. Lizards, vertebrates or invertebrates?
Lizards are vertebrates.
Vertebrates, thank you. Let's move to question number 2. We have a chicken. Here is the diagram of the chicken with its different parts. Yalla ya Lana, are you here? Aline Salman. Yalla ya Aline. Are chicken vertebrates or invertebrates? Miss, each time I ask you to determine or to specify an answer, you have to justify. Don't forget to justify, okay? You need to justify. Yalla ya, I was talking with Aline. Yalla ya Aline. Are chicken vertebrates or invertebrates?
Invertebrates.
Invertebrates. What do you think, ya Amal? Where is Amal? Amal, are
Beside
chicken
me.
vertebrates or invertebrates?
Vertebrates.
Why?
Because
Yes?
يعني قولي ليه.
Yes? Because?
Miss Emma don't know the answer.
Okay, Yara, can you help us with this? Yara, can you help us with this? Are chickens vertebrates or invertebrates?
Chickens are vertebrates.
Why? How did you know?
I told you it's vertebrates.
They have a spine.
Amal and Aline, look at this. What is this? This is a spine. The spine is another word for backbone or vertebral column. Don't write on the screen. Or vertebral column. Okay, the spine is also called a backbone or a vertebral column. An animal with a backbone or a vertebral column is a vertebrate. So, chickens are vertebrates since they have a spine. Okay? Chickens are vertebrates. Chickens are vertebrates because they have a spine. Okay. The next question is talking about helicoprions. Helicoprions are sharks that do not exist anymore. They used to live 250 years ago, but they don't exist anymore. Yalla, part A. Yalla ya Iltaf. Iltaf, what's A? What is this part called?
The part A is gills.
Gill opening. Gill opening. Under these openings, we have the gills. Bravo ya Iltaf. Yalla Ali Hamoud, part B.
لون لن ازرق
B يا علي. B يا علي.
B is the fin.
B is a fin. Bravo. C يا علي فواز. علي فواز, are you with us?
ما بدك تروح عند جود شيء؟ لا، خليك بالبيت لوحدك. روحي معي عند الساعة.
Please يا يارا mute. يلا يا جود. What's C? What's C?
Tail fin.
Tail fin. Thank you. This is a tail fin. Good job. Amir, D. Part D is? شو يا أمير? Part D is what? أمير. أمير. Kareem Kurdi. Kareem Kurdi. D is what? Which part of the shark is this? Lana.
Fin.
It's a fin. Bravo يا كريم. This is a fin. صح. طيب. We have 5 vertebrates group. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Which group do helicoprions belong to? الهليكوبريانز وين موجودين؟ بالfish group, amphibians group, reptiles group, birds group, ولا بالmammals group? What do you think? This is a question for all of you.
Fish.
They belong to the fish group. Why is that? Why? Why did you say fish? Why did you say fish?
They belong to because
They belong to the fish group because
they
شو جباعي؟ رواد، جود، يارا، الطاف، أمانة، دالين. Help me, miss.
What?
Has fins.
Yes.
Because they have
This.
because they have fins. Good job. And what else? What do they have also?
And
They use
gills.
their gills.
Gills.
And gills.
They have gills.
Okay. Let me
Fins and
remind
gills,
you that
they have
each time I ask you to determine something, don't forget to justify your answer. You need to justify your answer. Yalla. Indicate what Helicoprion used to use part A for. يعني gills. What were gills used for? We're talking about the gills right now. What were the gills used for?
To breathe. To breathe.
To breathe.
To breathe.
Ali Fawaz. Who's this? Helicoprions.
Yes.
Use
Ali Fawaz. Ali Fawaz.
Helicoprion used to use gills to breathe for respiration. To breathe.
Helicoprion are a little strange.
They are sharks, a kind of sharks. Last question. Muhammad. There is no Muhammad in this class. Okay, Muhammad and Ali went to the sea. While swimming, they saw small fish in the water and the water's temperature was 20 degrees. What is, this is a question for all of you. You can unmute yourselves. What is Muhammad and Ali's body temperature? Muhammad and Ali's body temperature.
What their body temperature is?
The change to the environment.
We're talking about Muhammad and Ali's body temperature.
Cold. Because it was cold because the sea.
Give me the number.
No, Miss, can I answer? Can I answer?
Please. Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. The temperature of the temperature of Muhammad and Ali's body temperature is 37 degree kilogram.
Bravo. Degree Celsius. Okay, bravo ya Yara. 37 degrees. People have a fixed body temperature, 37 degrees. يعني علي فواز، كريم كردي، روان فران، لانا، أمير، علي جبرتي، ألين أمل، علي حمود، الطاف، جود، Yara, and Miss Fatin's body temperature كلنا 37. We all have a fixed body temperature. He's 37. What about are fish like us? Do they have a fixed? Do fish have a fixed body temperature, a fixed number? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No. Because
Fish are cold-blooded animals.
Cold-blooded. They don't have a fixed body temperature. Their temperature changes according
to
the climate.
Temperature.
They don't have a fixed body temperature. ليه؟ لأنه they are cold-blooded. They are cold-blooded. رح اكتبها هون. Cold-blooded. Cold-blooded يعني they don't have like us a cold body temperature. هني cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. They don't have a fixed body temperature. Their body temperature changes. يا أمل، يا ألين. Fish are cold-blooded. They don't have a fixed body temperature like us. No. People are warm-blooded. People are warm-blooded since they have a fixed body temperature. Okay? Forget about this. There is no need to study this. But you need to know that fish are not like us. They don't have a fixed body temperature like we do. Okay? Do you still have any questions about the lesson?
No.
No.
So you can leave now.
Thanks.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, dear ones.